بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, first of all of you open page 16 in your books. Hurry up. Okay, students, on page 16, our topic is numbers up to 99. Revision. Why revision is written here? Because you have studied about these numbers in your previous class. So now we will revise all these numbers. Numbers starting from 1 and till up to 99. So start writing with me. Grab your pencils, students. Hurry up. Very good. Now tell me which number comes after 1. 2. Number 2 comes after number 1. Write with me, students. 2 here. Hurry up. Very good, students. We have written 2 here. Now after 2, the next number is 3. After 2, the next number is 3. 1, 2, 3. Write 3 in this box. Very good, students. As you can see, we have written 3 here. So after 3, which number will come? 4. We will write here 4. Okay, students, we have written here 4. And after 4, this is 5. After 4, the number which comes is 5. And after 5, there is 6. So we will write here 6. Write with me, students. Very good, students. We have written here 6. And after 6, there is 7. This is 7. And after 7, which number comes? Tell me. Yes, after 7, here will come 8. Write with me, students. Write 8 here. And yes, we have written here 8. And then 9. And then 10. Are you writing with me, students? Excellent. Moving forward. After 10, students, there is 11. This is 11. What is this? 11. And what will come here? 12. After 11, 12. Very good. Write down 12 here. Excellent, students. After writing 12, which number will come here? Tell me. 13. After 12, we have the number 13. Write down with me. Yes, excellent. And after 13, which number will come? 14. Which number will come? 14. Write 14 with me. Very good. And after 14, we have 15. What we have? 15. Write with me, students. Yes. After 14, we have 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And which number will come here? Very good. 16 will come here. So we will write here 16. Okay, students, we have written here 16. And after 16, you all know there is 17. What is this? 17. And after 17, we have 18. What we have? 18. Write down 18 with me. Okay students, we have written here 18 and after 18 we have 19. 19. Yes, this is 19. Yes. And after 19 which number will come? 20. Which number will come? 20. Write down here 20. Okay students, after 20 we have, this is 21, 21 and then 22 and here it will come 23. Write down here 23. Yes, excellent. This is 23 and after 23 here comes 24. Which number comes? 24. Write down with me. Yes, and after 24 we have 25. This is 25 and then we have 26. This is 26. Read again with me all of you. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Very good. So what do you think? Which number will come after 26? Yes, 27 will come here. 27. Write with me all of you. Yes, this is 27. And after 27 we have 28. 28. Write down here 28. Very good. Are you writing with me students? That's very good. Okay, after 28 we have 29. This is 29. Okay students, and after 29 there is 30. Which number will come? 30. Write down with me. 30. Can you see this is 30? Very good. Moving towards the next number. Okay students, after 30 in this box we will have 31. Which number will come? 31. Very good. Write down with me. Okay students, can you see I have written here 31. This is 31 and after 31 which number will come? Yes, 32. In this box we will have the new number 32. Write down. Very good students, we have written here 32 and after 32 here will come 33. Write down with me 33. Excellent. We have written here 33 and after 33 we have the number 34. So write down 34 in this box. So we have 34 here and after 34 we will have 35. What will we have? 35. Write down here. Excellent students, we have just written here 35 and after 35 we have 36. Write down 36. Okay dear students, we have written 36 and after 36 we will have 37 here. Write down here 37. Very good. This is 37 and after 37 we have 38. Write down here 38. And we have written here 38 and this is 39 and this is 40. What is this? This is 40. Now starting of the new number series, this is 40. And after 40, we have 41. Let's write with me. This is 41 and 41 is already written for us. So we will write the next number and that is 42. Write down 42. Very good. We have just written 42 and now we will write 43. Which number comes after 42? 43. Write down with me. Very good students. This is 43 and this is 44. 44 and this is 45. What is this? This is 45 and after 45 we have 46. Which number will come here? 46. Write down with me. Very good students. This is 46. And now moving towards the next number, we will have here 47. Which number we will have here? Very good. 47. Write down here 47. So we have written here 47 and after 47 we will have 48 here. Okay students, this is 48 and now we will have here 49. Write with me. Very good. This is 49 and after 49 we will write here 50. What we will write here? 50. Write with me. And we have written here 50. Okay students. Okay students, as you all know that we have started writing the numbers from 1 and we have stopped writing the numbers till 50. Okay students, and in a very neat and clean writing we have done our work. Now it's your homework time. Okay students, now your homework is you will write the counting starting from 1 till 50. Okay, you will write from 1 to 50 on page number 16. This is page 16 and then you have to share the picture of this page in your WhatsApp group. Okay students, write from 1 to 50 and share the picture of your homework in your WhatsApp group. Okay students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.